The Cove, 2009 documentary directed by Louis Zehoyas, is confronting. It deals with a hidden issue that has drastic consequences. Let's activate your prior knowledge. Activating prior knowledge requires you to draw on what you already know about the topic at hand. In this instance, what do you know about dolphins? Write down 5 facts about dolphins as you understand them. How did you go activating your prior knowledge? Dolphins are aquatic mammals that are part of the cetacean family of toothed whales that includes orcas and pilot whales. Dolphins have excellent vision and can see what is around them in the water and above the surface. Dolphins have a powerful system of echolocation that they use to map the world around them. They have 100 teeth and sleep with one eye open. Of the 43 different species of dolphins that have been recognized, 38 of them are marine dolphins and 5 of them are river dolphins. Academy Award winner for Best Documentary of 2009, The Cove follows an elite team of activists, filmmakers and free divers as they embark on a covert mission to penetrate a remote and hidden cove in Taiji, Japan, shining a light on a dark and deadly secret. Utilizing state-of-the-art techniques including hidden microphones and cameras in fake rocks, the team uncovers how this small seaside village serves as a horrifying microcosm of massive ecological crimes happening worldwide. The result is a provocative mix of investigative journalism, eco-adventure and arresting imagery, adding up to an unforgettable story that has inspired audiences worldwide to action. Activist Rico Barry, ex-dolphin trainer, joins forces with filmmaker Louis Zehoyas and the Ocean Preservation Society to expose the brutal practice, risking life and limb in the process. This is the island of Japan. On the left-hand side is a tiny island between Kyushu and South Korea where the practice of culling and slaughtering dolphins went on for many years. It has now stopped, however, here. The place in question that we're looking at is Taiji, the small town where the Cove is the subject of the documentary. It's situated. The dolphin slaughter takes place in every September. So the most important people to probably realise in the Cove are Rico Barry. He was previously a world-renowned dolphin trainer who has turned an activist and is dedicated to freeing captive dolphins. He was featured on the TV show Flipper. Louis Zehoyas, the documentary filmmaker, previously worked as a still photographer for National Geographic for a period of 17 years. He became involved in making documentaries, most particularly highlighting species threatened by extinction. Though decidedly one-sided, The Cove is an impeccably crafted, suspenseful exposure of the covert slaughter of dolphins in Japan. This outstanding documentary is as exciting as a thriller. This is a first-rate heist movie in which the good guys are the gang and the bad guys the supposed honest citizens upholding law and order. Japan defends the indefensible through arguing that it is a cultural right. They say that harvesting of whale and dolphin meats is part of Japanese culture and has gone on for centuries. The filmmaker refutes this by walking the streets of Tokyo and asking random members of the public what they know of this in their culture and what their experience are of eating these meats. At the IWC, the Japanese Minister for Whaling reports to the conference members that due to improved techniques, fewer dolphins are being caught and killed, and those that are done so humanely. More than half die instantaneously. Moreover, at the conference, it is revealed that votes of other member states are bought by the Japanese to ensure they still have a show of support for practice. Smaller, poorer nations are shouted a membership and given a generous payment to their respective countries in return for their votes supporting the Japanese on any voting to do with limited or halting these practices. Japanese supporters on the IWC are worldwide. With this context and background in mind, it's time to watch The Cove. Whilst viewing, remember to write notes in the analysis table in your booklet. You'll need this as evidence to justify your point of view when it comes to your seminar presentation. See you in class.